Hi, my name is Shubham Chaudhary. This is my demo video in Byju's. Let's start with the mathematics of class 8 as well as class 9 and class 10. So, the topic is polynomial. Let's start. What is the polynomial? First, what is a polynomial? So, what is a polynomial? In mathematics, a polynomial is an expression that is consisting of some coefficients and variables which are also known as um, indeterminants or something like that. Okay, so this is a polynomial. So like that, x square plus 6x plus 2 equals to 0. This is a polynomial. Okay, so there are some rules also where we have to maintain while using some polynomials, like rules. Okay, so number one rule is square root of the variable. Square root of the variable. The second rule is fractional powers of the variable. Variables. And the third one is negative power of the variables. Okay, so if we take this as an example, like 6x minus 2, this is not a variable, not a polynomial, not a polynomial. How? Here negative power of any variables is not accepted. Okay, so this is not a polynomial. Like similarly, like this is also not a polynomial. Okay, because here fractional part is coming, which is not accepted in polynomials. Okay, another example like that, if we take like this, afterwards when we solve this one, then it comes with like this, x to the power minus 2. Okay, which is not a polynomial, which is, this is also similar to, like this is also similar to this one, similar. Okay, so what are the terminologies of the polynomial? Like let's take an example like this, 4x square plus 3x minus 7. Okay, here the leading term is, this is a leading term. Okay, this is a leading term, this is a constant term. Why it is called constant? Because here 7 is not representing any variable. Variable means like x is a variable. Okay, and the coefficient is like 4 is a coefficient, 3 is a coefficient, and minus 7 is a coefficient. Okay, so here with the 7, none x is representing. Okay, this is called a constant term. Okay, and the highest term, which is x square, is a leading term. Okay, is a leading term. Next we will start the types of polynomial. Okay, here the first type is constant or zero. Constant or zero polynomial. Okay, constant or zero polynomial. Here the degree will be 0. Okay, let's take an example. As we have done in the early one, -7, here we can represent like this also. And as because x to the power 0 is 1, after solving it results -7. Okay, next is linear. Linear polynomial. Here the degree will be 1. The degree will be 1. Let's take example like this, 2x plus 1. Okay, here we will represent like this 1, 2x 1 plus 1 x to the power 0. This is equivalent like this. As we know from the previous example that x to the power 0 is 1. So after resulting and x to the power 1 is, we can represent as x also. Okay, so like this 2 to the power 2x plus 1. Simply 2x plus 1. Okay. Next, number 3, which is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Here the degree will be 2. Here the degree will be 2. Okay, let's take here is also example. In the previous we have done, this is a quadratic polynomial. Okay, as because we can see that the highest degree of x is 2. Okay, so this is an example. Next polynomial is cubic. Cubic polynomial. Here by seeing the name only you can understand that it is a cube, so the degree will be 3. Let's take example like 7x cube plus 4x square minus 3x minus 7. This is a cubic polynomial. Here we can see that x power is 3, so this is a cubic expression. Okay, and last, quadratic polynomial. Okay, similarly here the degree will be 4. So let's take example like this, 4x to the power 4 plus 7x to the power 3 minus 4x to the power 2 plus 3x to the power x minus 7. Similarly, okay. So here also there are some other type of polynomials which are also known as monomial, binomial, or it is also known as binomial, monomial, binomial and trinomial. Trinomial. Okay, so these are the examples of it. Okay, so what is monomial? Monomial means here it represents only one variable, like 6x, 2x, 4x cube, etc., etc. Binomial means here it represents two types of, like 6x square plus 1 is also, next 2x plus 2, etc., etc. And trinomial means same, x cube plus 3x plus 2. Okay, these are also known as binomial, trinomial and monomial. So degree of a polynomial, you also got to know that degree of a polynomial which is the highest degree of x, That is known as degree of polynomial. Okay. So let's take an example. Okay, let's solve an example. Like solve the polynomial of 4x minus 8. Okay, here we got to know that 4x minus 8 equals to 0. What is the degree of this function? Degree is the highest of x, which is 1. So this is a linear polynomial. Okay, so similarly 4x equals to 8. How it is 8? 0 minus 8, sorry, 0 plus 8, which is known as 8 4x, and similarly x will be 8 by 4, which will be 2. Okay, thus the value will be of x is 2. So thank you for it. Afterwards we will meet. If we want, then we'll meet. And thank you so much for giving me an opportunity for this, and thank you so much.